Hello friends, myself Dr. Luqman. Today I am going to discuss about third wave of coronavirus. Many of my patients, my friends and colleagues have been asking, and there is a lot of discussion going on that whether there is going to be a third wave or not. If there is going to be, then how it is going to look like and how we are going to control it. Before that one, I'll try to tell you the meaning of the word wave. First of all, it is a word which we usually use for the explanatory methods in pandemic times. Wave defines, the number of cases, the number of deaths, the pattern of cases getting positive, and what are the treatment methodologies present, and how we are going to control. All those things about that pandemic time is can be clubbed into one word, that is wave. So the word third wave actually in India started last month when the chief principal scientific advisor to government of India came out to the media and told that seeing the condition of second wave, there is going to be a third wave that is inevitable. That was his declaration actually. Today I am going to tell you the factors, the logics or reasons behind to believe or to at least anticipate that there is going to be a third wave. Before that one, I'm giving a disclaimer that this is not a declaration I am doing. There is no one in the world who can tell 100% for sure. So this is not a declaration. I am only anticipating based on the main important factors. Especially the primary factor is second wave. The second wave in India has hit harder, and it has hit so hard that the whole public health system, whole medical fraternity itself is in havoc and mayhem, and people are dying. Number of cases are rising exponentially. Second important factor is that even though the number of cases are increasing harder and people are dying in numbers, not just in the numbers and the pattern, the symptoms, the approach and the treatment is also differing from the first wave. Third important factor which we have to observe is that the number of variants. It is known in concepts of virology, in concepts of epidemiology, that in one pandemic or in one epidemic, if there are multiple variants present at a time, then that variants are going to come again after changing its strain in the future. So in that aspect also, it has to be understood that in India itself there are 3 to 4 type of variants running, and that too in one area itself lot of variants are running in India, and that variants are extremely virulent, extremely dangerous also. So in that terms, we can also anticipate that there is going to be a third wave. Fourth important factor to believe that there is going to be a third wave is that the range of people it is affecting, elderly, young adults, children, and how it is affecting, and how this pandemic is also making people more vulnerable. Okay, fifth important factor is how these COVID pandemic is making other diseases to come out in the public, like mucormycosis and other type of aspergillosis, other type of diseases. So by seeing these 5 important factors, it has to be believed that there is going to be a third wave, most probably by October. But before that one, recent news reports are telling that this third wave has already started, especially by seeing the number of positive cases in children in Maharashtra. So there was an anticipation that if there is going to be a third wave, that third wave will be affecting children. But Indian Association of Pediatricians have declared that there is no clear or conclusive data that third wave is going to affect children only. It may or may not affect. There is no conclusive data. So we need not to worry or panic. We have to take measures and control it. So this is about third wave, whether it is going to be. I think basing on these factors, there is going to be a third wave. About if that is a third wave, how it is going to affect, how the children are going to get affected, and how to control, what are the measures to take it, we will be discussing in other videos. So subscribe to my channel and get tuned for very current updates. Thank you.